Excuse me a minute. I'm gonna get this before anybody else does. This is gonna be mine. This is mine. Oh.
Didn't even need a lamp.
You lanky... Mine. And the other one.
Health and safety, Greg.
I don't want that, I want the bulbs. Hello?
Oh,
Hello, who's there?
Jackie.
Hello, I'm up a ladder with a ski.
Oh, yeah.
You'll never see Peter Sissons like this, I tell you. You all right, Jackie?
Aye.
Come on, give me some more, love. You're not making this easy. You all right?
Yeah.
You in the party mood?
Aye.
What's your answer?
Map.
Map.
Aye.
Yeah, because they do, don't they, to show you where, like, Detroit is, or indeed Papua New Guinea. Map. £25 for you. Winner! Well done, sausage. 2 to find. 2 to find. We'll certainly do that within this time. Definitely within this time. Why aren't those bulbs working? I've just been told they haven't been working for weeks. I've not noticed. It's like Ollie. Why is he not working? He hasn't been working for weeks. This moose head, how's this stuff got? Oh, yeah. What? That's a prop, and it's been hired. No, it's not. It's mine now. It's mine. Hang on, oh, it's mine. I'm having anything I can. Look, let this be a lesson to you. If your work is finishing, you take what you can. In fact, hang on. Make it talk, then you're the master of making things talk. I bet it sounds just like the shark.
Check out my antlers! Oh, look at these shiny antlers. You can see your face in these antlers, and you can't see the eyes of the hunter. Tell him come calling.
My head. Give me my head.
I'm not giving you a head.
No. 11:42 and ticking down. 09013263000. You help yourself to 25 quid. How much do skis retail at? How much are they? They're quite good quality, these, aren't they? About 100 quid. I love that. Hello, look at that. Look, saving money here on the paint. Hello? Oh, they're panicking in there. Don't panic, it's mine. Hello? They've put the signs back. I'll get them back down. I want that. You got more chances coming up straight after this 10-second videotape. Get off me dicky.